Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Vivo and opening settings. This gets you straight into system controls. Once done, tap Battery or Battery and Performance so you can reach power-related display options. Make sure battery level is above 10% to avoid power-saving overrides while you change timeout settings. You're preparing the phone so later changes stick. This prevents aggressive battery modes from reverting timeouts. Now that the battery menu is open, you're ready to move into display and advanced timeout controls. Now navigate to display and brightness in settings so you can directly control screen sleep behavior. Tap sleep or screen timeout and you'll see a list of preset durations. Pick a longer duration like 5 or 10 minutes or the maximum preset your firmware offers. If your Vivo supports a custom timeout, select it and enter the desired number of seconds or minutes. Make sure to confirm the change. This tells the system to hold the screen longer before turning off, improving usability for reading or navigation. Finish by verifying that power-saving modes aren't overriding your new timeout. Go to battery settings and disable aggressive battery savers if necessary. Once you've set the screen timeout, restart your Vivo so the system fully applies the change. This clears caches that might force old values. If the timeout reverts later, make sure any battery optimization or adaptive display features are turned off, and install system updates. These steps fix conflicts that commonly reset screen timeout settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.